You're miles from help. Your phone is dead. The weather is turning. In a situation like that, the gear in your pocket isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline. Most multi-tools are built for fixing a loose screw. But the ones we're showing you today are built for survival. We've put the toughest, most innovative survival multi-tools through hell to find the 5 that are truly worth your money. One of them has a feature so unique, you've probably never seen it before, and it might just be the edge you need. Number 1. Leatherman Wave Plus. The Leatherman Wave Plus is our top pick for the best survival multi-tool. This multi-tool has been hugely popular ever since it came out in 1998. With 18 tools, durability, compact size, and a reasonable price, it is easy to see why. On the outside of the tool, the straight-edge main blade can be opened with one hand. There's also a serrated blade, wood saw, and file on the outside of the tool. Being on the outside makes access much easier since I don't have to unfold the tool. On the inside of the tool are scissors, a can opener, and 3 screwdrivers. 2 of the screwdrivers have interchangeable bits. Number 2. Leatherman Signal. The Leatherman Signal is our top pick for the best backup survival multi-tool. This multi-tool is similar in size to our top pick, the Wave. Instead of 4 external blades, this one only has 2. Included is a main knife with a partially serrated blade and a wood saw. I like that I can open the main blade with one hand, and it locks back in the open position. I do not like that it is serrated. I would much rather have a straight blade that I can sharpen. What makes this multi-tool unique from all the others is it has a built-in ferro rod, knife sharpener, and whistle. These are all things I have in my pack or survival kit anyway. But it is nice that these are integrated in case I am separated from your gear. The ferro rod and sharpener are kind of small, but they are functional and better than nothing. Number 3. Gerber Dual Force Multi. The Gerber Dual Force Multi-Tool is our pick for the best urban survival multi-tool. This multi-tool is like other plier-based multi-tools since it has a butterfly opening configuration that reveals a set of pliers. What sets this tool apart is the pliers themselves. They have a unique 2-position slip joint jaw that allows me to adjust the closed size of the pliers. Number 4. Leatherman Surge. The Leatherman Surge is our pick for the best heavy-duty survival multi-tool. This multi-tool is the largest and heaviest on our list and weighs almost 50% more than others. It has the largest pliers and the longest knife blade of any other Leatherman multi-tool. It is configured very similar to the Wave, with blades that are on the outside of the tool. The main difference is one of the blades has the capability to exchange between a metal file and the wood saw. I like this feature since I can configure the tool to more of a work/EDC tool with the file and exchange it with the saw during a survival situation when I need fire tinder. Instead of a small screwdriver, an awl is included. This makes the multi-tool more useful for repairing tarps or crafting tools at camp. Number 5. Leatherman Skeletool. The Leatherman Skeletool is our pick for the best lightweight survival multi-tool. This multi-tool is the lightest plier-based multi-tool on our list. It has 3 key tools. A main blade with a combo straight/serrated edge, pliers, and a bit driver with exchangeable bits. There is also a carabiner on the end of the tool, so I can easily attach it to my pack or belt loop. I like that there is a place where I can store a second screwdriver bit in the handle. It comes with a dual-sided flat and Phillips bit, but since I have a bit set, I can change them to whatever I want. From urban blackouts to backcountry emergencies, one of these tools could be the most important thing in your pack. Don't get caught unprepared. All the direct purchase links for every survival multi-tool we featured are waiting for you in the video description below. If this guide made you feel more prepared for the unexpected, please support the channel, hit that like button, share this with your adventure buddies and family, and subscribe for more gear reviews that help you be ready for anything. Stay safe out there.